Welcome back to the Big Debacle. Today is not exactly a mountain vista adventure. It's a chore day, the kind of day nobody glamorizes in van life, but honestly, these are the days that keep everything else running. First stop, Planet Fitness to get clean. I didn't film inside because gyms kind of frown on that. Next up, gathering all the laundry. This part always makes me reconnect with the things I keep in the van. Each one has a purpose, and if something doesn't have a purpose, well, it might just accidentally get left behind at the next thrift store. Driving into town for chore day always feels like shifting into a different rhythm. It's not glamorous, but it is grounding. Time to load up the machines, and this is where my brain gets quiet. There's something satisfying about the thunk of the washer. Okay, step one, handled. Dryer time, the mid-cycle plot twist. Folding laundry is discipline disguised as a chore, smoothing the fabric, making neat shapes, learning which items actually fit the way van life demands. I can always tell when I have too many of something. If I have to fight to put it away, it's time to move on. Yes, this part is almost meditative. Resets my space and my brain at the same time. And yes, I did dramatic sock tosses because I can. Next up, groceries. In van life, every item has to earn its place. There's no room for impulse buys or 3-for-1 bulk bargains. There's no room to buy in bulk. And somewhere in here, I always have at least one moment where I stare at the prices and question all of our life choices. Like this. Do I need it? Yes. Do I want to pay for it? Absolutely not. Quick gas stop and then plugging in for a bit. My new solar batteries are good, but they're still getting to know the wiring in my van. When something goes sideways like this, I kind of catch myself asking, all right, universe, what's the message? And sometimes the message is you just need electricity. Don't overthink it. It took me to the next day to find the time to put everything away. I was just too exhausted last night. And this is where the van becomes home again. Folding is one thing, but finding everything its place is another mindfulness practice entirely. And if I have to hunt too hard or work too hard to fit something into its space, that's the van life telling me you've got too much stuff. And trust me, that happens every single time. There's something satisfying about closing each cabinet door. Just little tiny moments of completion in this rolling adventure. And because the cycle never ends, I'm already packing for the next Planet Fitness outing. Van life is a rhythm, sometimes bumpy, sometimes boring, but always moving. And honestly, and that's works. My chore day, or at least one version of it. I know it's not my usual kind of video, but, well, I'm kind of new at this, so I can't really say I have a usual kind of video yet. Let's be real. even chore days are just amazing and wonderful. No, some days a chore day is just a chore day. Sometimes they're grueling because I don't feel well, or it's cold outside, or for whatever reason I just don't feel like doing it, but it needs to be done. But I will say this: there are a lot of days, particularly laundry days, if I have taken my ibuprofen, that yeah, I can use the day to kind of contemplate, take stock, kind of get a little bit grounded about what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm obviously filming this part on a different day than I filmed. Yeah. Anyway, I have a dog now, but you'll hear about that in future videos. I hope you will decide to stick around with this channel as I grow it. We'll have a chance to get to know one another. So hit all the YouTubey things, the liking and the subscribing and the notifying, that kind of stuff. And do make sure you come back for the next video, for my next big debacle. And until then, thank you so much for being here. Stay wonderful. Bye.